Hi, I'm Jennie. Today's K-food is 오징어볶음. 볶음 is stir fry. 오징어 is squid. You know, nowadays is a very famous drama is Squid game, 오징어 game. So I think that use the 오징어 and fry with the vegetables. So it's a little bit spicy one, but Korean people like this 오징어 very much. So we use 오징어 with soup or just fry and just boiled 오징어 and sauce. For the sauce is chili and just eat. And we enjoy 오징어 anyway. So first cut 오징어. So I can buy this prepared 오징어 at the market. So cut maybe this size. Okay. And this. Okay. Cut the end of the legs and the same size of okay. Put together. Cut. Okay. So ready to cut. 오징어. Okay. And here's a cabbage. You take apart the cabbage's leaves like this and cut the same size of 오징어. Right? Cut the cabbage the same size of 오징어. And onion. Okay. And carrot, some carrot. And also this one is the same size of 오징어. Okay, and this is a sesame leaf. Sesame leaves. And also, we Korean people like these sesame leaves because the smell is good. It has a good smell. Okay. And green onion. Some of green onion. Okay. Ready? And here's some red chili. And first I will make the green onion oil. So when make this is maybe more smaller size because I will fry with oil to make green onion oil. Okay, is it ready? The vegetables? Now I will fry it. Okay, here's some oil, cooking oil. And here you put some onion. So when you make the green onion oil, it's better to put some bigger size, like a leek is better. But today I will use just this one. So not too high not too high, otherwise it's burned. So when you smell the green onions oil, and this time, and you put this squeeze all together. And then now you up the heat and you stir fry it. And here it's better to put the sugar. You put the sugar first. And here, next the soy sauce. 2, 1, 2. Three spoons of soy sauce, and then here 1 spoon of chili paste and 1.5 spoon of chili powder. You think that is a little bit salty, but it's okay because next time I will put the cabbage and the other vegetables all together. So and also the minced garlic, a spoon of minced garlic, and here I will put cabbage and onion and carrots. If you think that it's a little bit too burnt, and pour some water. Wait, a cup of water. And here, don't pour all of them. Just make a little bit. And then mix the seasoning all together. Okay. And here, you put some cooking wine. A spoon. And a little bit of pepper. Okay. And here, now, and green onions and chili all together. And here, if you want to make a little bit shiny 오징어볶음, it's a starchy syrup. This is a starchy syrup and a spoon. Okay. The last one, put the sesame oil. Okay, so nearly finished. Even here, put some sesame seeds. Okay, here, I forgot to put the sesame leaves, and you put together. And stir fry one more. Okay, it's ready. You turn off the heat. And now I will put in the plate. Okay, wait. some more sesame seeds. Okay, I finish. It's ready to eat. Maybe the squid is a little bit weird. Some people think this one's a weird ingredients, but we Korean people really like it. So maybe try it and have a good meal and take care all of you and see you next time. Bye!